This is temporary, just so they can work. You can see this is, all these trusses are just held on by 2x6s on the walls. But that's so they can install the wall up there, they can do work. And then these are gonna come down, these are gonna go in the garage for a mezzanine, these trusses. Once you look up, there's a cathedral ceiling, the first 20 feet here, and you'll see a cathedral ceiling. And then these people can look over the banister down into the first floor. This whole section is a cutout, 20 by 20 square. On top, we have almost the entire wall is glass, and then this entire wall on the first floor is glass. It's all fixed windows, you don't open them. It's floor to ceiling glass. Right here we have an 8-foot wide, 9-foot tall sliding glass door. And then here we have a powder room. So when you're cooking here in your kitchen here and doing whatever, here's the living room right here, living area. Kitchen is back here. So you're just gonna look out and see this. It's gonna be filled with sun. The whole bottom floor, first floor, lake view is all glass. And then you're gonna look up and you'll see a cathedral ceiling, well, 2010, 1, 21 plus 4 and 5. It's about 26 feet up to the peak. And then you're gonna have a big picture window also shining sun into the main area over the picture windows on the first floor. So here's the kitchen back here. Your kitchen starts about here. L-shaped countertop with a 10-foot island, 10 or 13-foot island here. This is my office space back here. Here we walk into a 10 by 10 pantry. And then laundry in this corner, master bath, my tiny little closet, and then here's a huge closet for you.
Yay.
And then the master bed is here, looking out to the lake. This is the master bedroom here, looking out to the lake.
Yay. Okay, so walking up to the second floor, view of the lake. And then this is all the bedrooms. Yikes. Scary up here. And wait, what's that? Oh.
There's a banister, we'll be looking down here.
Oh. Okay.
Cathedral ceiling here.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wait, what's over here?
Stairs, where this board.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and that's the little alcove over there. Okay. And then these are the bedrooms and bath back here. Yeah, that's the front entrance right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is the garage upstairs entrance. Is there an entrance right there? Oh yeah, there is.
That's
a second. Oh yeah, the office. Okay.
Yeah, office.
All right. And then all the trusses. Fantastic.
I might.
So all of these trusses went on today, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.